llegamos a la ciudad de Bellevue, que queda en el centro de la Florida. Hicimos una parada para comer en el Chipotle y ahora vamos a encontrar un thrift shop que mi hija recomendó. Vamos. hemos venido a la Universidad de Florida, donde estudia mi hija, y nos va a dar un tour, un mini tour del bosque, donde ella viene a buscar insectos. Y digo insectos porque mi hija está estudiando entomology, que es un ramo de estudio sobre los insectos. Alright, vamos a ver unas ranitas, una familia de ranitas que vive aquí en este tubito. Se pueden ver, se van moviendo. Ajá. And you guys find these and put them in there to...
Oh, not me. No, this is a different project.
Oh,
They're really cute.
yeah, they're tiny. So they go in there? Mm. Okay, muy bien. Interesting. And they don't leave that tube?
No, not really.
What's in the other tube?
The same thing. They're measuring frogs. How many frogs they get. I think. I don't know.
It's so peaceful out here.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's not winter time.
Mm-hmm.
Like all the dead stuff is full of this like green, like lush.
Mm.
It's really good. It's really awesome.
And it doesn't rain a whole lot here, right?
Sometimes it does. And there's a walking trail area down there that's like a boardwalk area.
Mm-hmm.
And when it rains, the water will like fill like the bottom and it will rise up and it's really, really cool.
Okay.
So it floods, but mainly that area.
Yeah.
But I'm kind of hoping that like I'm immune to it, you know? I think there's some people that are like immune.
Oh, okay. Birds of the Seep. I like this peaceful view.
But wow, it's really pretty when all the green stuff is up.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of bummed that you guys are here when it's not. But I remember our first time here, it was so sunny, it was so hot.
Mm-hmm.
It was really, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But it's good the way it is. There's just less bugs now because it's getting colder.
Yeah. Okay. You come here how many times a week?
Oh, I try to come here after my lab or after my class sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Just to collect specimens.
Mm-hmm.
Water level was much higher.
Mm. Wood roaches?
I picked them up, yeah.
Yeah.